Hi, I am Tom Callahan, Manager for CertainTeed Ceilings Technical Services. Today, we are here at our acoustical testing and training facility. Now let's talk about the installation of Solo Baffle. There are two methods for installation with Solo Baffle. The first here is Solo Baffle Hook. This method is meant for use when you're trying to achieve a panel installation at a distance from the deck above. The installation hardware already comes pre-installed in the panels themselves. And what you're doing to install it in the field is you're attaching them to the adjustable hanger wire, and it's simple as that. There are two methods of attachment depending on how you want the panel to attach to your structure above. Here we have the Solo Baffle anchor. It is meant to be attached direct to deck. To achieve that, we use these anchors which come pre-installed in the panels themselves. When you attach the panels, they slide onto this Connect Baffle profile. To secure the baffle in place, we have these accessories, this baffle clip that locks the panel in place. In addition, if you are running multiple lengths of baffle profile end to end, there are these profile connectors that help you go and achieve that. As well as if you're running multiple lengths of panels end to end, there's a connect guiding pin that inserts into the end of the panel and provides a defined space from end to end.